I would like to introduce our process and the benefits that we can provide you through our solutions. Let us show you how our efforts have been changing the way of mining companies in Peru have started to adopt these technologies to increase productivity in a long-lasting manner. Firstly, I would like to present our company. We are Astay Systems. We are a company focused on providing technical services and technological support to the mining industry. Along with this presentation, you will know how can we help you and most important, what makes us different. To start, let me present to you our value proposition. We firmly believe that through a digitalized process, we are capable of integrating data, enhancing the analysis, and effectively communicate the results. Think about the time that you may have to obtain a report, consulting different Excel files that are located in different folders and different formats that you need. Think about all the time and effort that you have to spend to obtain the results you want. These kind of problems we are capable of solving. In that sense, we are focused on enhancing decision making. You may ask, how we do that? Well, we are here to develop technological tools that will help you to analyze and visualize your results. For that, we use the available resource that you may have. I would like to emphasize that we are not promoting a specific tool. We firmly believe in the potential of Microsoft Excel and the add-ins that you can produce in it. Also, through our methodology, we assure the identification of relevant inputs for your process that will allow us to establish clear objectives and KPIs for the whole project. This is how we assure a clear process for the whole project, assuring more productivity for the team involved. You may think that we are here to contribute with a digital transformation for your company, and the answer is yes. We are committed that through a digitalization of a key process in your organization. You may ask yourself, what is the difference between these two concepts? Well, digitalization is the process that seeks to develop and implement technological tools that improve current process to make it more efficient. Recall the case that we discussed by the time and effort put it in a single report. Well, we are here to contribute to that. Another example is the spending time that we can experience by the time to produce a life of mine plan. Another example we will be presenting to you in the following slides. In this part of the presentation, I would like to introduce you the pillars of our methodology. This methodology has been prepared to ensure a sustainable solution. We start this process. You can count on our expertise and in mining to assure that your process is well understood, and in some cases enhance it for better results. This is key because this is the input that we need for the digital solution, consolidating the standard as a technological tool. Next up, we can count on us producing this tool. Imagine a tool that can help you to increase the speed of the utilization or ability calculations, or maybe forecast or budget according to a specific time frame, and more importantly, by a tool designed according to your needs and not the opposite. Finally, and even more importantly, of the other two steps is the final user. They are a key long-lasting change for your organization. We assure you a tool designed to have the user as a center rather than a process. A tremendous amount of benefits can be obtained by this, and all this effort will be made to assure you a sustainable solution with a tangible result. Now, how we ensure this? I would like to share with you our proposal that we call it the road to digitalization. We start, as I mentioned, reviewing the process that you require. This allows us to understand and identify the needs and develop an alternative for the solution. This is key for the following steps. Then, we integrate data. There, we design the architecture required for the solution. This means the design of how the data flows, the structure of the databases, and the interaction with different mining softwares that you use in your organization. Next up, here's when the magic starts. We will begin the development of the solution. We use high-tech tools to construct the solution according to your needs. You will know from the beginning what you expect as a result and how it would look like. We include in the solution the best practices of data visualization to ensure the result will show you in the right message in the right way. Here, a workshop on data visualization will be carried out, which will allow us to establish the layout and the aesthetics chosen by you. Finally, the solution will be implemented with the support required. We recognize the value of the documented process. This will allow you to avoid seeing the tool as a black box and also reduce what we call it the learning curve for the final user. By this, you will have a standard procedure, a tech tool according to your needs, an implementation procedure, and the training required for the use. Here, I would like to show you some examples of what we have been done so far. In this case, for example, you will find a desktop app for a goal producer, an Excel app for a mine plan calculation, a web app for production forecasting, and a dashboard in Power BI for displaying material movement along with a sheet. Our solutions provide the following benefits: an increase in productivity. We generate value by spending more time analyzing the solution rather than just producing it. Centralized source of data. Having the data available will speed up your decision-making process. A standardized and documented process are key for an auditable development. I would like to emphasize at this point that our offer is not a pre-established tool. In fact, it's the tool that you need according of how you do mining in your mindset. Finally, a reportability system that you can show your results in a clear way to enhance your decision making. How can we help you? Well, you can count on us for process automatization projects, BI solutions, data analytics and AI models, or the development of can be web, mobile, or desktop dashboards. However, feel free to send us your inquiries and thoughts about this proposal. Rest assured that we won't disappoint you. That's all that I have for you today. Thanks for your time. We are Astay Systems, passion for mining and technology.